Flexible magnets. How do they work? How do you turn your business cards, photos, and crafts into a magnet in just a few seconds? Introducing the super strong and super sticky 20 mil self-adhesive flexible magnetic sheets, the magnets you've been searching for. As you can see, it comes in a variety of sizes. The smaller magnets are the same size as a business card, so you can have your business card magnetized instantly. Next, we have 4x6 and 5x7 inches, which are just right for photos. 8.5x11 sheets and 8x10 sheets are also available, which are suitable for creating larger crafts to hang on the fridge. The magnets are very easy to work with, making it easy to cut them down to any size or shape needed. Our magnets are super strong and super sticky. They can hold any lightweight item. Among them are regular paper, cardboard, thin metal die cuts, etc. And they can also be used outdoors. Magnets won't be damaged by rain as long as the craft you place on top is waterproof.